back to my channel. Yes, my hair, I know it looks so good, right? Today's video is something a little different from my other videos. I haven't talked about hair too much on this channel, but that's about to change because this hair looks too good to not talk about it. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my hair care routine and the staple products that go along with that. Also, I'm going to be styling my hair for you guys so you get to see all of this in action. I want to thank IGK for sponsoring this video. I've been using their products for so long, and I'm just glad to be sharing my staple hair care products with you all. So if you're ready to talk hair and see all the products in action, please keep watching. So you might be wondering what's going on with the hair, and you're right to wonder because what's going on? Is it styled? Is it wet? My hair actually is wet. I did wash my hair a little while ago, and if you're wondering how did I manage to put on makeup, because I'm a magician. As we all know, the first step to any hair care routine is of course shampoo and conditioner. Cue good behavior shampoo and conditioner. These really do live up to their name. I mean, I think they could even be called great, but that's just my opinion. I almost wish you guys can smell how good my hair smells right now. Like, it smells so yummy. These have been my go-to shampoo and conditioner for months. I don't know about you guys, but hair care is very important to me, and I think it should be important to everyone. And with the right products, you can have the most gorgeous, luscious, nourishing looking hair. Now, I don't know about y'all, but my hair actually gets really frizzy, especially now living in South Florida. The humidity is out of control, so I definitely need something that's going to keep my hair in control. And these two bad boys go and do it every single time. I'm not a double wash type of girl. Like, I will put shampoo on once, conditioner once, and when I tell you once is enough with these products, like, they really get in there, remove all the dirt, and then the conditioner leaves my hair so silky, so smooth, like it literally looks like silk. And you'll see the actual products in action once I blow dry my hair. But before I even get to blow dry my hair, there's some key products that I use to really ensure the best possible results. And the first one is the Good Behavior 4-in-1 spray. So this is the perfect product to use after you've washed your hair. And what it does is it basically detangles your hair. It's going to provide you with high shine, and it has 24-hour frizz control. Also, this is a 450-degree heat protectant. As someone who uses heat very frequently, I need this. Like, this is essential. Now is the fun part because I get to actually put it in my hair and you get to see it in action. I really coat this in there. My hair does actually naturally kind of tangle up, so this product really helps smooth out any knots and is really easy to brush afterwards. Really get it up in there. Coat that thing up, because listen, we gonna shine today. Now just look at how smooth, effortless, no knots. And I can't wait to show you guys how shiny it makes my hair. And the simple fact that it also acts as a heat protectant, which obviously afterwards I will be blow drying my hair. Heat protectants are very important to use. All of their products smell amazing. They need to come out with a perfume or a hair perfume or something I could put on either my body or my hair. It smells so good. Next product that is absolutely essential in my hair care routine is the Good Hair Smoothing Spray. This is imperative to use in this exact order. So I'm gonna use this before I blow dry my hair, and then again after I'm about to style my hair. So you really wanna coat this in to make sure every single strand is lathered into this product. And oh my god, it smells so good. I want to eat it. My hair literally feels silky smooth. I wish you guys can actually feel the way my hair feels. It's one thing to see it, but it's another thing to feel it. So I'm gonna go blow dry my hair really quick, just like a, quick old blow dry, and I'll be right back. Hair is dry. Mind you, I just want to preface this by saying I didn't even do anything crazy with my blow dry. Like, I literally was just like, shh. Because I mentioned, I think in my last video, my hair is straight, so I don't have to do the most when it comes to blow drying my hair. This is like the most basic blow dry of all time, and my hair looks this good. And I don't have extensions on. I will be putting on clip-in extensions at some point in this video. But the fact that this is just my hair and it looks this good, like, let's get into this. So there's almost so much light in here that this next step is necessary. The shine is very, very serious. My hair looks so good that it doesn't even need to be styled, but we're gonna take it one step further and style it because I really want you to see the va-va-voom hair in action. And I'm back with clip-in extensions. I'm going in with the smoothing spray again because I want to coat it on my extensions and on my hair again. Hair must stay protected at all times. The smoothing spray got me covered. So I'm just going to put half of it up in a clip because I don't want it getting in my way as I'm curling the bottom half. So naturally I'm gonna be curling the hair in sections because it's just easier to do it that way. So as my curling iron is heating up, I just want to mention that I'm so excited for today's brunch. We're going to the spot that we went to, I want to say like a few weeks ago, and the Nutella waffles I dream about every night. Maybe not every night, that might be slight exaggeration, but that's how good they are that I think about them all the time, and legit going there just for these waffles. Like, I cannot wait to eat. Like, I'm salivating at the mouth just thinking about it. So I'm just gonna wrap the hair around the actual curling iron, hold the curl for a few seconds, and then just let it drop. Hair is curled, and now is time to separate the pieces. Separating is essential because you want the hair to just kind of flow. I mean, first off, it's already giving va-va-voom, but we're not done yet. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Antisocial Time Release Bond Building Dry Mask. Make sure you shake really well and spray 10 to 12 inches away from your hair. We're gonna spray this bad boy in. Oh, I never get tired of this smell. So this dry mask is basically going to soften and nourish your hair. There she is. Last but definitely not least, I'm going in with the Beach Club Texture Spray. You're gonna shake and again, apply 10 to 12 inches away from hair. You ready? And I'm done. I'm sorry, I know I said I was going to brunch, but like, I should go on a red carpet. Call TMZ, call the paparazzi. This hair is giving photo shoot ready. It's giving I'm shooting for a campaign. What? Look at all this body. I'm sorry, I am feeling myself to another degree. Cue the fan. If you're asking yourself, was the fan necessary? Yes, absolutely. The hair is laid and slayed. This hair needs to be shown off to the world, so I'm ready to go to brunch. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you haven't tried IGK products, you need to ASAP. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.